G'day, here's a small parcel of Potch and colour, mostly Potch, from Lightning Ridge. It's seam opal and the rules in millimetres, and it's been wetted. White that you're seeing there's the light reflecting. Okay, I've just gone in a little bit. As I said, it's mostly just Potch, but they're nice large pieces that you can hold in your fingers to grind into shape. Just get a feeling for how fast the wheels cut the stone. Not going to go through every piece, some's better than others. Purple hue to it. Yeah, big piece. There's a lot of little bits in there too. Some that hasn't got any colour at all. Look at that piece. Odd bod bit. A lot of this I've just thrown in. Someone might as well have it to get some use. Bit of purple colour coming through there. Weak colour bar there. And you've got all these other smaller pieces. Something like that, it just looks nice to polish it up, make it into a free-form sort of pendant shape. Piece of semi-crystal. Anyway, it is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.